The concept of this video is going to be a lot easier to wrap your mind around than some of my other videos about roof framing or home building. And in this video, we're going to talk about tiling around a round shaped curve and how larger tiles might not give you the look you want. And how do I know this? Because I drive past a sign to an apartment building that looks something like this. And if this is the look you're looking for, great. And for those of you who don't want to watch any more of the video, then just use smaller tiles, maybe a 1-inch tile, mosaic tiles. Just don't use larger tiles on smaller radiuses because you're going to end up with something like this. So not too difficult. In our example here, we have a 1-foot radius with 6-inch tiles. Over here we have a 4-foot diameter or a 2-foot radius with 6-inch tiles. You can see how they're working a little bit better over here. And I would imagine if I had a 10-foot diameter or a 20-foot diameter, then the 6-inch tiles might work even better. Next up, let's go ahead and cut these tiles in half. Here is a 3-inch tile. 3 inches wide, 6 inches tall. And you can see where something like this doesn't look that bad. And if we go to a 1-inch wide tile, we're going to end up with something like this. And like I said, if this isn't the design you want, then I understand. Go ahead and use larger tiles for your curves. And I don't know if this video is going to require any further questions. However, if you do have any questions about this or would like to add your opinions, feel free to share them with us in the video comment area.